Any? Sid?
Thank you, Chair. Ed, and thank you both for coming in and your presentation. You said a couple of times referred to legal. What does that mean?
So, one of the first steps is there's initiation for these types of investigations. So that would be either an email that came from the executive or from a legal department. That's one of my trigger points to start this investigation. My reference to Mr. Mix at the time, rightly so, came to me and asked if the records could be reconstructed using other recipients. Because Mr. Mix does not own that other recipient's email, I cannot do that from a legal perspective. So at that time, I went to Risk and Legal to inform them and get a decision on that process. So that's what I meant.
Sydney?
Thank you, Chair, and I appreciate this because what we're trying to do is try and find those intricacies, those gaps, and some of this information is new. So when you say Risk and Legal, explain to us who is that? What's Risk and Legal, and who from legal spoke to you?
So legal would be legal counsel at the time. Risk would be, there's a risk management services, which was internal to government. So there's a whole section on that.
Sid?
Thank you. And when you say legal counsel, do you mean legal counsel internal to government or external?
External.
Sid?
Thank you. And so who was that?
I at that time, I was dealing with Jonathan Coady.